welcome back to my channel. This is yours truly, Rothiabo. It's been a long while now since I uploaded a video about a underwear try-on haul. So here I am now. I'm gonna start again doing and making an underwear try-on haul. But before I proceed further, I'm gonna inform you guys, unfortunately, this is my last video about underwear try-on here in this channel. However, I have a new channel which will be focusing only about underwear try-on, or let's say the content of that house will be focusing only about underwear try-on. I hope you guys will continue to support me on that house. I will just put the picture of my new house on the top corner here. I hope you guys will continue to support me and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you there. So, let's jump to our video for today. So I have here, and let's check, and this is from Cotton On. Tada! And there are 3 pieces. 1, 2, and 3, of course. So I love the color. Color of this is the orchid petal. And this is a Riverside. And the other one is Blushing Bride. So this is the first one. I call this the Everyday Softy in a Riverside color. So this one is super soft and breathable. It's really soft. I love this because it feels like you're barely wearing anything. Sits nicely on the waist. No tight marks, and perfect for the whole day comfort moment. So if you are someone who likes basics that feel clean and simple, this is definitely one of those go-to panties. And okay, let's go to the number 2. Okay, this is the number 2. The cute and playful one. This one is a little more playful. I love the cut. And look at this. It's very cute. I love the cut because it's flattering but still comfy. It gives the tiny flirty vibe but still very classy, and it's a YouTube safe. The waistband has a good stretch, see? Has a good stretch, and it hugs the body in a nice smooth way. This is the kind of panty that makes you feel extra cute without trying too hard. Yeah, it's just very cute. I really like the cut. So now let's go to number, tada! And this is the number 3, the orchid petal color. I call this the confident minimalist orchid petal. This one feels more chic and confident. It has that clean, minimal look that I love. Perfect under fitted outfits. Since it doesn't show lines, yeah, it's a seamless panty. The material feels light and soft. So this is definitely the piece you wear when you want to feel a bit more put together. It's really cute. Nice. Love it. So I went for these colors because they are very aesthetics and minimal. For sizing, if you are between sizes XS and double XS, you better go one size up for more comfort. And trust me, comfort over everything. I really love this. So, that's my little 3 pieces underwear haul. Let me know which one is your favorite. The soft one, the playful one, or the chic one. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video in my little brown fag house. And I hope to see you there. Thank you so much, guys. Bye!